welcome back again. On this episode of Style Mode DIY, I will be showing you guys how to make a purse out of a straw. I'll be using this straw to make me a purse. This purse is going to have a replica look, kind of close to the YSL purse. You see that looks as if it's having some round things on the body. That is what I'm trying to mimic, and that is what I want you guys to watch me do. I'll be using the straws here, and I'll be using my Cellotape tag to get the base and fabrics and so many other things. You just see all the details in the video, and you also see it there on the description box. Keep watching, guys. finishing of the bag. This brooch right here represents the YSL on the normal YSL purse. This one represents the handle. This fringe tassel represents the tassel on the side, but I stuck mine to the sides. Note, if you have something harder you could get to cut to use for this side, it would be perfect so that it would just stand. And if you want to, you could use a trimming to cover the edges of the straw so that when it's opening it's not so obvious. You will leave it for a while for it to dry, and if you have any opportunity to sew some things like sewing this part and other parts, you can always do that, so it gives it a neater and smoother finishing. If you want to use it for a while, I'm just showing you a no sew purse. Actually, this is just a gum through kind of purse. Also, if you can get a straw that comes in a natural color, maybe you see a gold straw, you see a black straw, or you see any color a straw in its unique form, you could use that better than for you to use a sprayed one, because once in a while the sprayed one will get to peel. So if you can, you could use a paint to paint it instead, and that will last longer. Hope you guys like it. I took like 2 days to finish this stuff because I'm not feeling too well, but it's all good. Thanks again. Please don't forget to share, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell, comment, give me a thumbs up, and be amazing.